a precision machining company with a focus and an emphasis on high quality and great service to our customers. We have a variety of process capabilities from multi-axis turning, multi-axis milling, wire EDM, grinding. In our milling section we do have 5-axis capability now, so we are able to do some complex shapes and complex parts. And also we can provide really nice finishes with the part shapes and things that we do. Machine Products has been around just about 18 years. When we started out in a much smaller facility, with just actually 2 of us that began. And we've always had an emphasis on high quality and precision machining and doing a great service throughout the years. And of course we've grown now. We're in a new building and we have about 35 people now. And we do operate 5 days a week, 24 hours a day. There's a pretty good variety of industries that we serve. We are a certified supplier with Siemens Medical, and we service the medical industry as well as textile, robotics, of course research and development that we do for ORNL. We've been working with the lab probably about 10 years and just started doing some small projects as they come through, and I think as confidence was built over time, I think that they allow us to do more and more of their complex and more sensitive type of work that they want to see done right, hopefully the first time. So they're giving us those opportunities and we really appreciate that. We do have a full quality program here and we are ISO 9001 certified with Underwriters Laboratories. And of course I'd mentioned before that we're certified by Siemens Medical as well. So all of our products go through a strenuous quality process out on the floor with the operators, and also we have an inspector that checks everything as well. 4- and 5-axis type work, those are probably the areas that we're quite strong in. But we do still have capability of conventional type machining where you crank the handles and so forth, but our emphasis and our focus here has primarily been CNC machining, computer-controlled machines and complex shapes. The CAD data can simply be emailed to us, and we can generate our CNC toolpaths from a solid model. We're able to duplicate the quality from part to part. This is very important. All right, well, this is one of the more complex shapes that we've been challenged with and been able to make. This product is actually used in the medical industry for the treatment of skin cancer. It's an applicator which emits radiation for skin cancer, but this item here started out as a piece of round, just circular round stock, about 8 inches in diameter. And we had to write CNC programs in order to come in and machine this particular shape from it. So it was quite challenging and took quite a bit of time to develop it, but we were successful in doing so. And the final product was actually made out of brass and was nickel plated. This one was aluminum. It's the very first one that we did. Things like this, anytime we're working in the medical world, you know you're helping people, helping diagnose or help heal people with your products. That's certainly a reward in knowing that. The technology, it continues to evolve, and we have to keep up with the technology and be able to write CNC programs. Of course, the CNC program is what drives our machines, so we have to be able to understand and keep a training program going to where we can move forward in understanding how to use the technology. I actually have 2 sons, and they're both in school right now at Pellissippi Community College, and they're both working here part-time and taking an interest. So we're looking forward to the future with them. It goes back to quality and our service. We've always kept that as our #1 priorities, and having a quality product, always trying to deliver it in a timely manner. I think that is what's kept us steady and growing over the years.